Ever since modern tents have been erected, there's been only one option for managing the walls, and that is to fold them. Unfortunately, this process creates several disadvantages for your business, as it requires more manpower than what's needed, considering there's usually two people setting up or taking down the walls. Allows dirt to transfer from the bottom of the wall to the top of the wall, which then costs more unnecessary wages for cleaning. Creates unattractive creases and pinholes over time. Shortens the lifespan of your walls, wastes wages, and your business's profits. Finally, there's an alternative that solves these issues permanently. Introducing the Cobra Roller, a uniquely crafted tool that assists during tent wall installation and removal. Specifically engineered to take the burden off the installer, the Cobra Roller's patented rolled wall technology allows the operator to shift the weight of the tent wall gradually between the tent structure and the Cobra Roller during installation and removal. This turns a cumbersome two-person chore into an effortless one-man job. Just imagine if you could get every task done twice as fast. The Cobra Roller is the evolution of tent wall installation.